Is a teammate holding your project back? It's time to learn how to easily remove them from your Basecamp team. First, navigate to your project in Basecamp, where you want to remove the team member. Once there, look at the top navigation bar and click on the team option. This will take you to the team management page for that project. You'll now see a list of everyone currently on the team. Find the person you want to remove. To the right of their name, you should see 3 vertical dots, sometimes called an ellipsis. Hover your mouse over these dots. Clicking the 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Look for and click on the Remove from Project option. Be certain this action will revoke their access to this project. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the person. Read the message carefully, and if you're certain, click the Yes, Remove button. And that's it. The person has now been removed from the project, and you'll see their name disappear from the team list. A small notification might briefly appear to confirm the successful removal. Managing your team effectively is crucial for project success. For more Basecamp tips and project management strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel.